So let's say we have this file which has hashtag include double quote, and let's say I want to detect that, whether it's there exists a pattern like that in a file. Well, I can just use a regular expression which tries to match the include, and if there exists one, it will print something. And if we run this, well, it will say that there exists a pattern like that. But well, let's see if it still works, like this or something. Well, doesn't work. But if we actually try to use it, grep COC, it works. So what's wrong with this? Well, it has little to do with the regular expression itself and more with how grep, sed, and awk actually works. So when you do this, well, it's gonna grab a in every line in the file, right? So the regular expression is matched line by line. And so if we do grep I, grep caret I, well, that's gonna mean it's gonna check if I is the first character, because the caret means start of the line and the dollar sign means the end of the line. But when we do this, we are applying the regular expression to the whole string, not, line by line. And so the caret just means the start of the string, and the dollar sign means the end of the string, right? And so you want to make this work with multiple lines where the caret doesn't just match the start of the string but the start of the lines. Well, you can do an or, just or the caret with new line, because that's what marks the start of the line, right? And since we are not using any back references here, we are not actually using it to refer to it later, we're just using it to group them. Well, we can use a non-capturing thing here, non-capturing group. The regex is probably going to be faster because it doesn't need to do any back references, because apparently it's a pretty expensive thing to do. So yeah, hopefully that was useful.